Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Here's your Amazon account temporarily locked. Don't worry, this guide will walk you through the exact steps how to fix it. So firstly guys, you need to check your email first. Amazon usually sends a message explaining why your account was locked, often due to suspicious activity or verification issues. If the email asks for documents, follow the instructions carefully. You may need to upload a valid ID, billing address or payments method proof. And after that, if possible, you need to go to amazon.com/contact us and log in if possible. If you can't log in, select I can't log into my account and then choose account locked. Use the chat or phone support option to reach an Amazon representative. Explain your situation clearly and ask what documents are needed to unlock your account. After submitting what they request, wait 24 to 48 hours for Amazon to review it. You'll get an email once the account is unlocked or if more action is needed. And that's how you fix your temporary restriction of Amazon accounts. If this helped, check out our other tech fixes and how-to guides. Stay safe and shop smart. Thank you for watching.